We're out here in Nashville, Tennessee. We're trucking. It's cold. My nipples hurt. It's like glass shards, diamonds right now, man. I'm trying to work out and be a little fit. I probably wore a shirt that's not ready for me. So next time, I need to diet a little bit more before I put on this sexy shirt. More handsome truck drivers, come on, man. So,
my hair's all fucked up and shit,
dude, look, hey, I'm bald.
Shit, I just
You
got
see it?
bro.
Come on, man. So, hey, real quick, what's your name, boss?
Tony.
Tony, Alex, man.
Alex, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Theasianmaishow, that's what my little channel is called. And I got a couple truckers watching me, whatnot. Now, the question is, you just started getting into trucking. Is it what you thought it was going to be?
Oh, yeah, man. I like it.
You like it?
I do the hot shots.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the dually with the flatbed.
Yeah.
Money, bro.
There's money?
Yeah,
so how
money,
did you know to get into that right away? You know what I'm saying? Like,
how did I know?
Yeah.
Shit, man, because I got out of prison, bro.
Whoa!
I got out of prison. I was a salesman for a while. I didn't like it. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't like to rip off people, man. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I got my CDL license and I started hot shotting for somebody, bro, and paid me 25%.
Really? And it worked out?
Oh, yeah, bro. I'm making about $1,800, $2,000 a week.
So $1,800 to $2,000 a week.
Yeah.
So start hot shotting, baby.
Yeah.
So that's cool, man. Any advice for the guys and girls out there that they want to get in? You know what I mean? Because trucking was cool. What I like about trucking, man, is it don't matter what your background is, as long as you could get that CDL.
Yeah, exactly.
You can make some money, right?
Oh yeah, bro.
So since you've been out here?
Hey, we made me and my brother made about $4,000 in a week, just team driving.
Team driving.
Yeah, $4,000.
So that could be a good. So that's one thing that they could do.
Yeah. Man.
So hot shotting, if not, then team driving, you would say?
We was team driving hot shot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the truck made $15,000 in 1 week.
Really?
The truck made $15,000, but it's not my truck, But I'm just trying
You know the next step.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my own truck and my own trailer. Yeah, bro.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, man.
So that's cool, man. Hey,
Yeah.
pleasure, boss.
Take it easy.
Hey,
take it easy, guys.
Yeah.
All right.
Look at this load right here, guys. See this right here? This almost looked like a Halloween prop right here. How you doing, boss? Man, look at that, man. Oh, he rocking. Hey, boss. How you a truck driver like myself, but you so damn fit?
I don't know, man.
How you so damn fit, man? Hey, I do a little YouTube channel.
I figured.
You figured, right?
Yeah.
No one really watches me, but
What's your name?
the Theasianmaishow. But yeah, I had a question, just a quick one. I don't want to waste too much of your time. First off, I just want to say, man, my name's Alex.
All right.
Yeah,
man. Good to meet you, man.
Pleasure.
All right.
So, first off, if you're comfortable with saying how long you've been out here on the road, and then secondly, any advice for new cats that are thinking about jumping on that you wish you would have known.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So hopefully that's not too hard of a question.
No, not too hard of a question. No, I've been out here about 3.5 years, almost 4 years now.
So almost 4 years now. Would you say, is there anything you wish you would have known, back then that you know now? You feel me?
Yeah.
Because if you watched this video and you saw it, it could have really helped you out, right?
Right.
So, what advice would you, give? You know what I'm saying? Because people, they think there's just billions of dollars out here. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
They're watching these. There's recruiters. What are they telling you? You gotta be making.
They're telling you everything, whatever it takes to get you to sign on.
Whatever it takes, right?
Right.
So, any thoughts?
Basically, man, get in and learn the game. That's the key. Learn the game. Learn the running lanes. Do what you can, man, but investigate, study. Don't just sign on with the first company because they're gonna tell you whatever it takes to get you to commit. You know what I'm saying? So basically, learn the game, man. Take your time. Be safe.
Any companies that you would recommend, or you think you would, you wish you would have known about to be your first company? Because everybody always jumps onto the Swifts and the Knights, and those are good companies or bad companies. I'm not gonna say.
Yeah.
But you just get seat time.
Right.
But is there another way? Because a lot of people out there, they thinking the only way is that mega carrier route, making, you know,
Right.
12 cents a mile. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is,
Right,
you know what I'm saying?
Right. Pam and all those. I actually chose. I think I made the best choice. It depends if you want to go flatbed or refrigerated or dry van, but I actually chose flatbed because that's where the money was at. And
Nice.
I chose one of the better companies. I don't work for them now, but I don't have any problem, you know, giving them shots. But Maverick Transportation in North Little Rock, Arkansas, man, that was a good company to work for. Good pay, you know what I'm saying? Good trucks. TMC is a good one. They have some good pay. I'm not sure about the refrigerated. You know, I haven't stepped into that field yet. But as far as dry van, that's another one that, look.
Get him, man. Tell
Just
him.
investigate and do your research, man, because it's not one size fits all. You feel what I'm saying?
That's great advice, my friend.
Yeah, it's not, man. You know, what I want out of a trucking company or what I want out of work is going to be different than the next man. So, you know, like I say, you just gotta research, like anything in life. You gotta research, gotta investigate. You know what I'm saying? Weigh your pros and cons, you know, put it on the scale, and you know, choose what best fits for you.
Man, hey, you know, that was beautiful, man, because I'll tell you what, if I would have watched that when I first started, you know, some people, they jump the gun right away.
They do.
And by watching this video, someone out there is going to make them do their due diligence.
Right.
And think it through.
Right.
So I appreciate you for that,
Already,
man.
Let me find you.
Oh, yeah, no doubt. No. How you guys know each other? We're in Nashville right now. What's going on here?
We know each other from back when we used to haul to the landfill there.
Really?
Lewisburg, yeah, and up in Kentucky, White Plains, Kentucky.
Yeah.
So the question is, for people that are getting out here and trucking, don't think that you could just burn somebody and they ain't gonna see you again, because the trucking community is small.
That's right.
I see the same truckers all the time.
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah,
After a while, it's just like you put the deuces up, what's up?
Yeah.
And that's it, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. That's true, man.
Yeah.
But
That's true.
build connections out here, man.
That's
Because
right.
you will see them again, just like these two just saw each other again, and it looks like a beautiful connection,
Oh,
though.
yeah.
man, it
Yeah, it's
was.
always
Yeah.
good to see somebody.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
For sure.
Any advice for new truck drivers? Any one, if one that you wish you would have known.
All I can say is watch out for the crazies.
Watch out for the crazy. Are we talking about the lot lizards crazies, or are we talking about
a lot of
the
the beginners nowadays. Yeah, I've been doing it 40-some years.
40-something years?
Yeah, I started young at 16.
You know, I
2 years and never
definitely
had no
appreciate
life.
your service, because it's not like the military, and it's not like these other ones where when you come out, you get all these rewards.
Yeah,
When we come out, we could do 100 years, and then,
Nobody come.
you know, you
That's
feel
right.
like nobody cares.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean? So, I mean, you definitely feel like the trucking game has changed.
Big time. It ain't what it used to be.
Yep.
Yeah, it's getting tougher every day.
Basically, do you mind, real quick? It's rough out here trucking, right?
Yes, it is.
And now, what were you thinking getting into trucking, and what is it now that you've been trucking for 4 months? Do you wish that you could have told yourself, or you know what I mean, like?
Do I wish I could have told myself,
Yeah.
go somewhere else? Yes, but it is
Go
what it
somewhere
is.
else?
Yeah, go somewhere else.
I heard that. I hear
No,
that.
I first was gonna start with Pan Transport, Pan Transportation, and then I decided to go with CR Inland. So.
CR Inland's been doing you right so far,
So far, except for issues with the DM,
but you know how that goes.
Yeah,
It's-
you know how it is.
When you first start, everything's kind of, you know, because they know that they got you. They want you to get that experience in. Now, as far as people that are new getting into trucking, they're so scared about driving the truck, backing up and all that. And I mean, even now I'm still scared. I mean, any advice for those people that they're just scared that they can't stay awake, or, you know, all those things that
Yeah.
you're worried about as a truck
Well,
driver, you know?
I said, if you're tired, go to sleep. If you're scared to back up, make sure you get out and double check and look. Always have somebody spot you. That's the best way to do it.
Bam.
That's how you learn.
I love that.
Yeah.
Some people, you see people that do blindside backup for no reason.
Yeah.
No,
Why? I don't get it.
no. Shout out to Florida because this is the homie from Florida. See, I'm a Warriors fan, but you know, but we jive though. We got the same swag. You know what I'm saying?
There you go. All right,
You have a
nice
good
to
one. What a positive attitude. Yeah, she's working now for CR England, and so far it's been good. She had to switch off from Pam Transportation because she didn't like it as much. But then again, you know, it's one of those things where it is what it is. Like my boy before said, sometimes what's right for, you know, them might not be right for you. You know what I'm saying? So that's legit. Let's see where he goes. Oh man. Go, 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 go. Oh, he has to lift it up a little bit. That's cool, man. Shoot. Look at this. See, for me, it seems so scary. How long you been doing this, my friend?
16 months.
Really? Really? Do you, let me jump over here. Yeah, I have a lot of people on my YouTube channel that want to be truck driver, but they're scared about being movers. But they hear that, you know, car haulers make good money, right?
I don't know. I
But-
didn't do this one. I just started.
You just started doing the car hauling, right?
Yeah.
And so, what company can they start with? What's a good company, or would you recommend the company you work for?
The rich carrier.
Uh huh.
Rich carrier. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Rich. What carrier is this?
Rich.
Rich carrier.
Uh-huh.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And then, so Rich carrier, will they hire new truck drivers?
I don't know.
No.
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe. No, thank you, man.
Alright.
Let me see. Is that the best one, sir?
Well, I like it pretty good. I
I-
like darker.
I do trucking stuff. I get bored and I do all these trucking things. And, you know, being a fellow truck driver, what coffee is the one that does it?
Yeah, Bogota Sunrise.
The Sunrise, Bogota Sunrise. Hey, I appreciate that.
All right, man. Have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
So I'm at the Nashville, Tennessee.
Just do.
Let's see, show you guys the fitness area. This is the fitness area. This is where people get their gym on right here. First, they got the little bike. You know, it's pretty cool here. They got a little equipment. There's really not an excuse for you not to lose some weight. You know what I mean? I'm trying really hard to put something good in my body. So that's just me though. But I'll be honest, you'll rarely see any truck drivers in the fitness room. Rarely. Country Pride. I can't eat there right now, but I'd want to. Some peanuts.
No, right now is I don't have a problem right now. Right now they
Where's the-
last night.
The cheese, like the little cheese and the boiling eggs and all that.
Okay, the boiled egg.
Boiling eggs over here.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Boiled egg.
Thank you.
And the cheese is on the outside there.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I mean, oh, 2 for 1. That's what I'm talking about right here. Let me get this. Let me try a little of both. Oh, there. Now I get this one. Grab those boiling eggs. Yes. And that's basically
You're as sweet. You